my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. This is like a quick last minute video. I decided I'd show you guys. I'm shipping out an order right now and I decided to show you guys. I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs to shoot this video. I decided to show you guys how I ship packages using PayPal. I use them to ship my shipping labels. Well, I use them to print my shipping labels. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. So first I just take my scale and I click zero it out. And then I put my package on top of it, and wherever it comes up to, I put it into PayPal. As the weight, I weighed in ounces, because this is not a heavy package, so I weighed in ounces. So I log into PayPal, and I look for shipping labels. It should be where it says quick links if you're doing it on a computer. And I have an option of PayPal order or multiple PayPal orders or any kind of order. I love this about PayPal. Sometimes I don't get orders from my website and I want to make a custom one. So I love the option that I get to pick another kind of order. Since I'm doing only one order, I'm going to do a PayPal order. And then it's going to show me the person that ordered, which I only have one right now. So I'm going to click print shipping label. Then I'll have to fill out a few things. I'll just change it to first class mail and then change it to package thick envelope, which the carrier name is USPS, and then the weight that I weighed the package earlier, I round it up to 2, so I would have like the exact weight. And then I'll tell me my shipping cost. Then I just check to make sure all the information is right. The USPS tracking is included. If I want a signature confirmation, I can add that, and then I can add insurance. I can even change the mailing date of when I'm mailing the package. So after I check everything, I click confirm and pay, and then I just print out my shipping label. Here I'm just cutting the excess paper around the edges, and then I'm just going to tape the shipping label onto the package. I'm exhausted. I had to do all of that in a time span of 10 minutes and also walk to the post office, which is like 5 minutes away. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't be shy to check out our website. We have a few glasses left and we're releasing new products soon, so go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. See you guys in the next video.